Alright, we're still at Kinzer's and it's nighttime here, and we pulled this little machine in. Pretty cool. I've never seen one like this. It's a rope maker, and I've seen rope makers that were about the size of...
Nothing like these, dude. Oh, this is the way off.
So like I was saying, I've seen ones that were jump rope size, you know, and the people make the jump ropes and give them to the kids and stuff. But this one's actually about the size of a shoelace, which is pretty cool. So there's our buddy Kevin over there, and he just acquired it, so he knows about it, but he don't know a whole lot about it, so give him a break. It's right now, you can put any thread size you want in there. You got polyester or nylon if you want stronger ones, but I pulled on that cord there and it seems like these are just maybe cotton, but all he's doing is making demonstration rope. So can you start it up for us, Kev? He said he winds all these bobbins individually. Come on, Kev. We only got an hour. Hey, look at this! Look at this! It's like a dance. These little guys are doing a dance, and they're making a rope down there. How long does it take to make about a 4-foot rope?
It's going to take quite a while because we've got to really slow down so you can see the
right
moving.
But you can actually speed that up.
Yeah, in a factory it's going to be so fast you won't even be able to see what's going on.
Oh man, see, I didn't know that. Oh, look at
this is just so you can see the motion of the things and everything.
Right.
We're probably running a foot every couple hours.
Really? That's pretty cool. And this motor here, this is more modern. I bet you back in the day they would run this on a hit and miss engine or something.
That's how we acquired it.
Oh, really?
That hit and miss engine over there came with it.
This economy?
Yeah, and it was driving this thing.
I used to have an economy just like that, except nicer. Hey, let's watch this guys dance for a little bit. It's pretty cool. I'm not going to stay here for an hour or two to watch him make some rope, but that's pretty cool. If you need shoelaces, you know where to come. Very cool, Kevin. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Kevin was just telling me that, I don't know if you guys can see it, with the one with the blue tape on it. That's got a piece of blue tape on it, so you guys can see that the whole dance, that they're going all the way around instead of just twisting in one spot. Here comes the blue guy now. Very cool, man. Now I want one.
And that's what makes the thing the biggest you can make is the diameter of that hole. So we're limited to that size.
Do you know if you can change that out? Change that and this out? Or just, you know, it's made for what it's made for?
It's made for what it's made for.
Yeah.
It looks like it's semi-permanent.
Huh. That's something. And you wind all them bobs by yourself, huh? On a lathe or something, right?
It will be on a lathe. This one was today. This was using an electric drill. Just so we can get through. There's going to be one coming up a little short tomorrow. So we're going to have to put this on in its place. But I'm going to fix up an old wood lathe I have and spin the bobbins on each one of them.
You know what's interesting? The pattern. Did you just come up with that because that's the thread you wound up with?
It's just the thread you wound up with.
Yeah.
The interesting thing is when I put the black on, it's going to be replacing that one because it's white. I want to see the difference in the pattern up here. You'll be able to see where there's more black in it.
Right. So, okay, that still has thread on it. I thought it was running without thread. All right, that's cool.